Hey guys, good afternoon. We are here at my parents' house for New Year's Eve. We just stopped by the store to get a few things for them. And yeah, we're making chicharrones with yuca. And my mom's making chicken sandwiches, Salvadorian chicken sandwiches. So yeah, today is a very gloomy, rainy day. We were in bed till 12 today.
Yes, we're being very bad.
But it was nice. The rain felt nice. Kaido was going crazy. And you know, because there was a huge thunderstorm. We're actually on tornado watch. I don't know if we still are, but
Oh, for real?
yeah, we've been on tornado watch all morning. But yeah, we weren't gonna come because Kaido usually stays outside and it's pretty muddy. It gets pretty muddy over here. The driveway gets really wet as well. We didn't want him all dirty, but then my dad's like, it's okay, you can put him inside this one time. So he's gonna come inside with us today.
I'm carrying them over there.
Yeah.
Door.
What are you doing?
Door.
Okay, I'll get it. Go, you go.
That door.
Oh, that door. Hello, present. Hello, surprise. Cargado lo trae. So we're still here at my parents' house. We've been here all day, basically. We are like 5 minutes away from the new year, which is so exciting. And he's terrified of the fireworks, so we've just been inside with him. Most of my family went to church, and then they're gonna come back, and we're gonna have some panes con pollo. Also, I forgot my camera at home, but it's okay because I have like probably 30 seconds of footage from today, and then tomorrow I'll start properly vlogging. I just wanted to vlog the New Year's Eve.
Wow.
I think he wants to come out. And Kaido hates cats, you guys.
Oh my God. What's that? What's that?
No, don't get him excited.
What is it?
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! Oh my God, the fireworks!
For real? But
Yes,
I feel like I should have. Like.
No, look. This is where y'all go wrong when y'all make brownies.
What? What's wrong?
You're only supposed to mix until you can't see any dry ingredients anymore.
Oh, really?
That's it. Because then it becomes tough. It becomes hard.
Really?
Yeah, if you scoop and you don't see anything.
Mm-hmm. Oh, so it's ready.
It's ready.
Perfect. Very nice. I love it. I love it. Oh, it's nice. It's good. Trying to do a thumbnail?
Yeah.
All right.
That's not really nice. They're still warm. Give me one.
Oh, yes.
Thank you.
You need a fork?
No.
Try it.
So soft.
Yeah.
They're like little clouds. Thank you. So it's November 2nd. What the? So it's January 2nd, and I just finished filming my Best of Beauty for 2020. And we are now headed to my mom's house because she's making pupusas. But before we go, I wanted to show you guys one of my recent purchases, and I'm so excited about it because I've always wanted one, but they're just too expensive for a backpack. But it was literally like 50% off on Nordstrom the other day, and I hopped on it. They only had one color, unfortunately. I would have gotten black, so both George and I could use it, but dusty pink is always fine. So this is by the brand Cowpack. It comes in this beautiful dust bag right here. I don't know if I can do this with one hand. I kind of already unboxed it at my parents' house because that's where all my packages go. Look at how beautiful this backpack is. What I need it for is to carry our laptops and to also carry our camera gear. So this is super cool. It has so many compartments, has so much storage. Obviously I haven't taken anything out. This is the brand, obviously it's not sponsored. And I do love that it has the little feet right here because you know you wouldn't want the bottom to get scratched, but it's super sturdy. One thing I am concerned about is that it's actually heavy with nothing in it, so George is most likely going to be carrying this around. So yeah, I just wanted to show you before we left, before I started using it. Happy New Year. Why are you just standing there like that?
I thought you were crying. I was trying to listen in on you.
Why would I be crying?
I thought you said, all right, you guys.
Because I was out of breath. So George has been watching Star Wars with Kaido. He's literally so mad at me because I sat in between him and his daddy earlier. What's going on? What are you doing? He's getting hair dried. He just got a bath. He's being real good for the camera.
Oh yeah.
Good afternoon. I'm so hungry.
Yes.
And I have so much to do.
Yes. People ask me why I married my wife. This is not the reason why, but it sure helps. It looks so good. And she's not even done. She's gonna put cheese on top. Mozzarella cheese. Are you ready to go outside? Huh? Well, are you? You go outside? He's been such a good boy, waiting patiently for me to get home from grocery shopping. I know, you need to sit. Good boy. Wait. Come on. There we go. Let's go, Peter boy. So he always wakes me up between 8 and 10 o'clock every single morning. Do his business, his thing. Look, there's a dog up there. Oh, and I kind of let him roam around, do what he wants to do. German Shepherds get a bad rap because of cops, obviously. Canines, but he's really nice. He's really gentle. He's very protective on the leash, but if you catch him at the dog park, he's cool. Hope this footage is not too shaky, guys. If it is too shaky, I won't even use it. You will never see this. Yes! Eat you a sandwich, girl. I know you're hungry. This dog is so bougie. Look at that. We have a bed for him. And we have a blanket. Outside, chilling. You know what would be cool? If you upload a video and just take the audio off, and it'll be a silent vlog.
So like it's me talking to the camera, but I take off the audio?
Yeah, that's a silent vlog. You can put subtitles.
You're annoying.
What's up, guys? It is day number 7 of the new year. Now, what day is it? What's today?
6, boy.
Today number 6 of the new year. Let's get started. No. Yeah, guys, thankfully it was just the little door right here that messed up. It doesn't close anymore. Fix it with some tape and it'll close. My wife's gonna kill me, dude. I can't even joke about it because she is literally gonna kill me. This is my last video, guys. Even if it ever gets uploaded. Bro, I legit just put all of them in there right now. And I forgot to record it. Look at that. Oh, yes.
I thought it was sunny.
I know, and it's so windy.
Honey, use the thing.
I can't.
Why?
Because...
Look at your setup.
Oh yeah, girl.
Wow.
You know it.
Oh my god. These were so good last time. This is amazing. This looks so good. Look at how amazing these look, guys.
I drink water.
So are you gonna turn on the Christmas tree or is it time to take it down?
No.
He doesn't. Guys, he's refusing to take down this tree.
Why? It's so cool. It's nice to have whenever the lights are off, the mood is there.
And yes, we're so full of ourselves. We're playing our Vlogmas again. No, we just got back from Starbucks and from Target, and we don't
play
like
it for Kaido because we feel like he feels
like we're here
ease when we're on the TV.
We both got a mocha cookie crumble from Starbucks, and I went to Target specifically because I wanted to get a new yearly calendar. And here it is. I usually get my yearly calendars from the dollar spot at Target, but they were all out. So I had to go to the more expensive section. But this one even has little lines on them, which is not that big of a deal, but you know, very simple still. I always get the ones that's just plain black and white. This is by the brand Blue Sky. Look at this little mess I have going on here. The rest of my beauty room looks pretty good. This is where I mainly edit. And this is where I feel comfortable. My chair is right here and I can sit here for hours and my back doesn't hurt. So I want to get this cleaned up real quick before I add my new calendar.
What you doing? Eating some sopa?
It's cold.
Yeah?
I wanted pho, but we ain't got time to go chase around some pho.
Yeah. You done your video?
Yeah.
Cool.
It's exporting. And it's before midnight. Ever since Vlogmas, I took a week off. And then ever since I started doing videos again, I've been staying up till very, very late.
Very, very early in the morning.
Very, very early to the next mornings.
Yes.
So what's the plan for tonight since I'm done early?
We are going to watch the first Pokemon movie, guys. Woo!
This has been my favorite ice cream as of recent, and George went and got me a couple the other night. So I'm gonna have this as a little snack right now. Did you end up finding the movie or no? Look, living rent free. Without a worry in the world. Running and leave me alone.
What's up, everybody? It is day number 9 of the, what is this called? The 100 Days of Beauty. That is right, everybody. And we are here in bed, taking a beauty sleep. Stay tuned for tomorrow's day number 10. 100 Days of Beauty.
Beauty sleep, that's funny.
It's your choice. Beauty sleep or beauty video, girl.
That's not a bad idea, to be honest.
It's a terrible idea.
Like, just set up the camera right here, and then they can just watch me sleep.
And put up some music.
This is just very important, you know, for your beauty.
Sometimes you just need some beauty sleep. If you guys like this video, please leave a like down below and comment down below. Comment some positive words to get her out of bed.
I've been out of bed already.
Out of bed.
Like it. Can you stop recording?
Are you done beauty sleeping?
No.
Let's go. Come on.
I haven't even started because you don't let me.
Because it's not time to beauty sleep, baby girl. Wake up and smell the coffee.
You're gonna make me another coffee?
I'll make you another coffee if you freaking get started. Let's go, baby.
No. Whoa.
What happened to your nose, girl?
Oh, I had a nosebleed earlier.
Why?
I don't know. I don't know why I have nosebleeds.
Guys, she's been so stressed out because of these 100 days of beauty.
I'm doing it to myself. I have so many ideas that I can't even start on one.
Right. She has so many ideas. I think what it is that her brain is clogged.
Yeah. I haven't had a nosebleed in like a year and a half, and this week I've had 2.
Yeah.
So I definitely need to go take a shower.
Yes. In the meantime, I'm going to charge this camera, and this one is fine. Actually, she films with this one, not with this one. Let's see what the boy's doing. Guys, we still have our Christmas tree up. It's January the 9th. Because you know we're very festive. What you doing there, little doggy? You enjoying the outdoors? Just so you know, it's like 40 something degrees. It's probably not cold for you guys or some of you guys, but for us, it's kind of
Thank you guys so much for watching this week's vlog. We'll see you guys next week.
Bye-bye.